Doesn't matter. From now I will record, no problem. So I was asking you the working of bank, what banks are doing. Can you tell me what are the para-banking activities done by banks?
Para-banking activities means those are the activities which are not the regular activities that the banks are doing. Regular activities means depositing, withdrawing, etc.
Hello.
Can you hear, sir? Hello.
Yeah, again it got disconnected. Please, are you using Wi-Fi or ordinary data?
No, sir. My mobile network, sir.
Please.
A call is coming. That's why this call got.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Please.
sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
Para-banking activities are activities other than the normal banking, such as depositing and withdrawing. Para-banking includes insurance services or other monetary services, etc. Sir.
Have you gone through the website of Federal Bank?
Yes, sir.
What did you see in the Federal Bank website?
Sir, Federal Bank, it is a major Indian private sector bank with a wide range of banking and financial services. It was established in 1931, which is headquartered at Aluva, Kerala. It provides variety of services including retail banking, corporate banking, treasury operations, and wealth management. Federal Bank has about 1,385 banking outlets and 1,360 ATMs, and it has about 1.6 crore happy customers. Mr. Shyam Srinivasan is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank. Also, the core values of Federal Bank are commitment to excellence, agility, relationship orientation, ethics, and sustainability. It has a vision for being the most admired bank. Also, recently in the financial year 2023-24, it has got some awards such as Indian Chamber of Commerce Emerging Asia Banking Award, Infosys Pinnacle Client Innovation Awards, etc. It was doing some CSR activities such as activities in education and skill development, also activities in healthcare, charity under the Federal Bank Home Memorial Foundation, etc.
Very good. Now, regarding Federal Bank, in the rate of interest they are offering, did you happen to go through the rate of interest they are offering?
Not in detail, sir, but I think it's between 3 to 4 something like that.
No. I was about to ask you under which they are offering higher rate of interest. I'll show you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
See, this is the period where they are offering higher rate of interest. 13 months to 21 months, they are offering 7.30% for other than senior citizens. Senior citizens, they are having 7.80%. This is the highest. And 5 years and above, they have reduced it to 6.30. Can you tell me why they are doing like this? Here they are offering higher rate of interest. Here they are offering lower rate of interest. Why?
Sir, I think during the higher rate of interest time, the people have more money in their hands, like festival period or something. They will give more interest so that they can attract the customers towards the bank.
Yeah. Or in other words, the bank may be in need of raising more money in the near future. That is why they are offering this higher rate of interest. And bank is also not sure how will the rate of interest will go after 3 years, 4 years. So they don't want to take the risk of offering a higher rate of interest for longer period.
Okay.
So like this, you can see this one here, and in this one, you see here interest rates for resident term deposits. And if you still go backward, you will get so many things. Like you can get all this. Slowly you have to search for interest rate on savings bank. How much interest rate now?
6.50%, sir.
For savings account,
Okay, sir, I don't know, sir.
3.05.
Okay, sir.
What is savings bank account?
Savings bank account is a bank account which offers, which through which the customers deal with their daily needs and services.
No,
Also,
the other rate of interest 6.50 is a rate of interest for which services offered by
no, sir, no, sir.
6.50 percentage is a rate of interest offered for which services by which bank? That is known as a repo rate offered by a Reserve Bank of India.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Have you heard of repo rate?
Yes, sir. It is repo rate means it is the rate at which the RBI is lending money to the bank.
Commercial banks for short term.
So short term, sir.
Good. Then for long term borrowing, banks have to pay how much rate of interest? Is it 6.5 or something else?
Something else, sir. It may be higher than 6.5.
It is 6.75.
Okay, okay.
I think Parvati has not studied banking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Parvati, which newspaper are you reading?
Sir, here we have the regional newspaper Madhubhumi, Malayalam newspaper.
Please tell me what is the news you read today?
Actually, sir, I didn't read the newspaper today.
Yesterday, day before yesterday,
But I know, but I know one news of today.
before yesterday.
I knew what news about today. That is, India's GDP has increased. It is the highest one, and it has increased to about 7.8%. First, it is a GDP growth in the April-June 2023. That India has the highest growth, and it is 7.8%.
Excellent. Good point. Then, what is GDP?
Gross domestic product, sir. I don't know the definition for this.
You have to study about that. What is gross domestic product?
Okay, fine. I think it's the market value of the goods and services, something like that.
1 minute. India gross domestic product. Now it is 3.176 trillion. 3.176 trillion US dollars. Which is the country richest in world GDP? United States of America. United States of America. Then what is GDP definition? GDP definition, if I put it like that, gross domestic product is a monetary measure of market value of all final goods and services produced in a specific period of time in a country, by a country or a group of countries. That is, in 1 year period, how much services are raised, how much products are made in India. That is known as GDP. So you must know about this.
Okay, sir.
What is inflation?
So inflation means the sudden increase in the price of the goods in the market.
Okay, good. Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Shakti Kanta Das, sir.
Very good. Should I select you as an officer?
Yes, sir. You should select me because I'm a person with good communication skills. And as I said earlier, I was a class representative for a group of about 50 students during my graduation period. So I know how to manage a team and all. And because of my communication skills, it helps me to build trust with my customers. Also, I'm quite empathetic, so I would understand the financial needs of my customers and can help them with the accurate solution. I also have good organizational and time management skills, which helps me in efficient handling of my workload. Also, I'm a
Best.
highly adaptable and a quick
Okay.
learner.
Okay. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yeah.
When they ask to introduce about myself, should I say about my family there, or when they ask about my family, I only have to say that?
No, you have to tell about your husband's. You got married to your husband, and he is working in so and so. That is what you
In
should
the
tell
introduction itself.
in the introduction itself. But if they still
Oh,
ask
okay,
you
sir.
what is your father, then you can tell about your father. Otherwise,
Oh, okay, sir.
you need not talk about your father or your mother
Okay,
and
sir.
other things. Now you have got married,
Oh,
so mostly they
yes,
will
sir.
ask about your husband's profession
Okay,
only.
sir.
That's all, not
Okay, sir.
this
Okay,
one.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
thank
Yes,
you.
thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Good job. You did well, but you have to improve.
Oh, okay, sir. I will improve and I will study more and come to the second mock interview, sir.
Very good. Thank you.